Hello everyone, this is my second video about this new website, Digital April. Over here, that's my back office. I'm gonna log in here. Um, this is my back office. Anyway, this new website offer you to earn without invest. Every day you have to surf to make some money. This is my third day. I already make $1.66. I didn't invest anything, just my work. You can see this is very early today. I already surfed something, but when you click here, earn, they give you PTC surfing. Normally you get like a 10. I already surfed 5. YouTube videos. This is no videos. I did not surf yet, so you watching this for 1 minute and you get paid. The good thing about YouTube videos, you have to watch 1 minute, otherwise you don't get paid. YouTube require at least 30 seconds. They double the time here, and whoever pay this website to advertise their videos, they happy about it because they get watch time. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to grow your channel with views, and you just come to this company and sign up and pay $10 for 5,000 views. That's real people. And this company is brand new and they have a lot of members. So just pay them and you have like human views for your YouTube channel. Another here, I'm going to show you again how you surf the PTC. PTC, is you have like eBooks, Robux, ClickSense. They offer the same service, and they on the market for a long time. This has been like more than 10 years that I know. And they pay you to watch the videos, but they pay so little and it's not worth because they pay like 0.0001 cent to watch 10 seconds. Over here, they pay you 2 cents to watch those web. And they start surfing. Yeah, what happened here? I click on the ad, and it's not supposed to. You have to click and start surfing. Yeah, every day you learn something. You see here. Live 100%. Now the only thing you have to do, click in the picture, key, and send. Another thing is good about this website, if you don't speak English, you can translate in your language. You're never gonna be lost here. And the next one, printer, you just click here and send. So easy, right? So I'm going back here to my back office. If you click here, advertise, and you can advertise surf ads, you can advertise website. That's the price they charge you, $2 for 1,000 display, 5 seconds. Perfect. If you click here, banners, you can also advertise a banner. That's good. Um, I don't think it's ready yet. Page C. That's me. I don't have a campaign. I can create a new campaign and 100 views for $5. I just put in my website here and pay $5 and I can have my PTC campaign for $5. Um, Also, review sharing. When you buy the packet, you have to serve to to earn money. Just press here, and here you go. Wait, and click the picture and send. That's all. Back to my back office. You can make money when you get referrals, and they show you how many you have. So yesterday I make my first video. I got one referral for YouTube, and I got 1, 2, 3 for Digital Pro, and I got another one for Facebook. So I didn't pay any money to do that, and I just make my video, post my link, and I talk about a little bit about this website, and I just got referred. As soon they start doing something like clicks and or buy anything, I make some commission. That's good. That's some way you can make money. So my earnings here, I just need to press here, make it. When I make $2, I just go buy an ad pack, and that's it. So if you like this video, please um, like, subscribe, and just sign up for this new website. And I think this website is gonna be for a long time because they bring a lot of people, and also they work with advertise, and advertise today it's the key, you know what I mean? So, and they pay you to watch the videos, they pay you to surf it, and that's how they gonna grow this company. So give a shot, sign up for free, work for 4 days, and buy your first ad pack and start to grow your business. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.